I am hungry. I do not know what I want to eat. Some cheese. I think I just want like some buttered noodles. So we're gonna make some buttered noodles. Just a little piece of shallot. Anything frozen we can put in. Like a little bacon. We got some peas from before and chicken stock. And cut like some bacon. Don't need much though. I'm gonna cut my finger. Just kidding. I'll put a little butter in, a little salt. Turn it down to medium-low. And we'll come back. The noodles are almost done, so I'm just gonna put the rest of these peas in. Another 3 or 4 minutes. Looking good. Get some Gruyere. I wish I had Parmesan cheese, but I still have not done proper groceries since I've been back from Japan. All right. And you are kidding yourself if you think I'm gonna put this on another plate. Call this buttered pea noodle bacon. Buttered pea noodle bacon hot. With the smashed peas, it's kind of like a split pea soup. A little chickeny with the stock, a little cheesy, so it's like a mac and cheese, a little bacony. It's a great time. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.